Hey everyone, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Reviews, your go-to channel for honest, detailed and practical tech reviews. Today, we are talking about something that every driver should have in their emergency kit, the GS300 Jump Starter from LIFMOCER. This is a compact, powerful and multifunctional device designed to make sure you are never left stranded with a dead car battery. Let's start with a quick unboxing to see what you get inside the package. When you open the box, the first thing you will notice is that everything comes neatly packed in an EVA storage case. Inside, we have the LIFMOCER GS300 Jump Starter unit itself, solid and compact with a premium feel. Then you get a pair of heavy-duty smart jumper cables, which are essential for connecting safely to your vehicle's battery. There's also a USB-C charging cable. Note that a wall charger is not included, so you will need to use one you already have. You also find a clear, easy to follow user manual. Everything is organized, so it's ready to grab and go whenever you need it. Now, let's get into what this jump starter can actually do. The GS300 is rated at 3000A peak current and has a 59.2 watt battery capacity. In real world terms, this means it can jumpstart engines up to 10.0 liter gas or 8.0 liter diesel without breaking a sweat, and it's fast in most cases. It can get your vehicle running in just 1 to 2 seconds. This is especially handy during long road trips when you might find yourself in the middle of nowhere with no immediate help available. One standout feature is the force start mode. If your battery's voltage drops below 2 volts, which is often too slow for most standard jump starters, you can simply press the pause button and the GS300 will push enough power to get the engine turning over. This is a lifesaver in extreme cases where your battery is almost completely drained. The GS300 isn't just for jump starting your car, it's also a multifunctional power bank. You can use it to charge your phone, tablet or other USB powered devices, making it a great companion for camping trips, road trips or even just keeping in your bag. For everyday emergencies. On top of that, it features a built-in LED flashlight with 3 modes, a standard flashlight mode for general use, SOS mode for emergencies and strobe mode for signaling. This makes it doubly useful at night, whether you're working on your car in the dark or trying to attract attention in a roadside emergency. Safety is a big concern when working with jump starters, and LIFMOCER has clearly put effort into making the GS300 as safe as possible. It comes with 10 types of built-in protection, including overcurrent protection, reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection, overvoltage protection, and more. The start jumper cables have excellent conductivity and are designed to prevent sparks, which means you can use this product with confidence even if you have never jump started a car before. The design itself is compact and portable. You can store it in your glove compartment, trunk or even a backpack without it taking up too much space. The LCD display on the front keeps you informed about the remaining battery power, so you will always know when it's time to recharge. Using the GS300 is straightforward. You can simply connect the jumper cables to the battery, attach them to the jump starter and start your car. The smart system takes care of the rest. If something's not right, like the cables being connected incorrectly, the device will alert you before any damage is done. LIFMOCER also offers 2 years of product quality assurance and 24/7 customer service, which is reassuring for a device you might be relying on in stressful situations. In terms of performance, the GS300 ticks all the tick boxes: high power output, rapid jump starting, versatility as a power bank, and solid safety features. The fact that it works even when your battery's voltage is extremely low gives it an edge over many competitors in its class. Plus, the flashlight modes add an extra layer of functionality that can come in handy more often than you'd think. If I had to point out one small drawback, it's that there's no wall charger included in the package. While most people already have USB chargers at home, it would have a nice addition for convenience. That said, it's a minor detail considering the overall value and performance you're getting here. So, to wrap it up, the LIFMOCER GS300 Jump Starter is a compact yet powerful device that delivers on its promises. With 3000A peak current, the ability to jumpstart even large engines, a forced start mode for ultra-low voltage batteries, multifunctional power bank capability, LED lighting, and robust safety features, it's one of the most well-rounded jump starters I have seen in this category. Combine that with the 2-year warranty and strong customer service, and you have a product that's hard to beat. So that's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Stay safe on the road and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.